Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Nissan, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Nissan Altima. Right now I'm doing the oil change service for it, and you can see it's super dark, crazy dirty. For the bottom cover, it's about like 20 clips, too much clips, so I just used my pry tool clips to pry it out. I already loosened the drain bolt, but I'm gonna take out the filter first. I already loosened the filter. There you go. Let it leak out. There you go. Super dirty. For my new filter, I put a little bit of new oil on the gasket. I'll clean the mess around the area. Tighten it down. Hand tight, not too crazy. There you go. Drain bolt. I'm gonna tighten it, and then tighten it with a wrench. So snug, that's tight. Snug it, done. And wipe your mess. A new model Nissan, it doesn't say anything on the cap. I looked up on the computer, it takes 0-20. I'm putting full synthetic, and it's a 2.5, so I'm putting 5.5 quarts. That's what it says on a computer, but I'm gonna check it again. I already put in 5.5 quarts. Now I'm checking the dipstick. Now, you can see it's a little bit over the high mark, but it's perfect because the oil filter is gonna take it down a little bit to the high mark, so it's good. Now I'm gonna key on and I'm gonna reset the oil. So once you get here, let me see, scroll through the menu, go to your setting and go down to your maintenance business, go down to your maintenance, go to your oil, press OK to reset. I'm still gonna reset it anyways. So people, do not change your oil at 10,000 miles. Change your oil at every 5,000 miles. A little bit earlier is better. Dealership tells you it changed, it's low maintenance, so you don't gotta change oil often because they set it at 10,000. Nobody change their oil at 10,000. Change it at every 5,000 miles if you love your car. And then reset the oil filter. You're gonna go down to reset. It's okay. Oh, I'm gonna set it again. 5,000 miles. Should be doing oil change. 4750 is good. Reset. There you go. And that's it for tires. Tires is nothing. That's it for this car, guys. Just an easy oil change and oil reset. If you're new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible, but I'll see you on the next video. Peace.